In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional resume using ChatGPT and turn it into a polished PDF you can actually send to employers. We're going to keep this simple, practical, and efficient. If you already have your background information ready, this process can go very quickly. And even if you don't, ChatGPT can help you organize everything into a strong, professional format. Start by opening ChatGPT and clearly saying that you want to create a professional resume. This gives the tool a clear goal and helps it respond in the right style. You don't need to overcomplicate your prompt. Just be direct and specific about what you want. Next, provide the core information that belongs on your resume. This includes your name, education, work experience, skills, and achievements. The more accurate and organized your details are, the better the result will be. For work experience, try to include your job titles, the companies or organizations, your dates of employment, and the main responsibilities or results from each role. For achievements, focus on accomplishments that show impact, improvement, leadership, or measurable results whenever possible. If you want to tailor your resume to a specific job, paste the job description into ChatGPT as well. This is a great way to align your resume with the employer's needs and emphasize the experience and skills that matter most for that role. It can help make your resume feel more relevant and targeted instead of generic. Once your information is in place, ask ChatGPT to write an ATS-friendly resume. This is important because many employers use applicant tracking systems to scan resumes before a person ever reads them. An ATS-friendly resume usually uses clear section headings, straightforward wording, and formatting that is easy for software to process. After ChatGPT generates the resume, take time to review it carefully. This step really matters. Make sure all details are accurate and that nothing is exaggerated, outdated, or incorrect. Check dates, job titles, spelling, and the wording of your accomplishments. ChatGPT can help with structure and phrasing, but the final content should always reflect your real background. When you're happy with the text, open Canva, Word, or Google Docs. Choose a clean resume template that looks professional and easy to read. Then paste your resume into the template and adjust the spacing, font size, and layout so everything looks polished and balanced. Finally, export the finished resume as a PDF. This helps preserve your formatting and makes your resume look consistent when it's opened on different devices. Once that's done, your professional resume is ready to use.